Hello guys, welcome to Tech Job Career. Today update is from the Genpact. Genpact is hiring for the Python developer. This is a detail about the company, you can read it. What are the qualifications required for this job? Bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology or related field. Advanced programming skill in language such as Python, Java or PowerShell. Practical experience in data integration and replication using the talent in an enterprise environment. Strong expertise in configuration managing including installation, setup and optimizations. Update your resume according to the job description. Mention all the skills required in the job description and in-depth understanding of data replication technique and technologies. Proficiency in SQL and scripting language for data manipulation and automation. Familiarity with various database systems like Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL and cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, GCP. Excellent analytical problem-solving skills with keen eye for details. Proficiency in SQL and Python is most important. Understanding of data integration, ETL tools like Informatica, Talent, PLSQL, PySpark, etc. Basic understanding of data engineering, data warehouse concept and principles. Familiarity with data, complex data relationship and data mapping process. Good understanding of cloud environment, Snowflakes, AWS, S3, Azure, etc. BTech, BE, MCA or any graduate in non-circuit branch must have 60% 6 CGPA throughout bachelor's, 12th and 10th. Must have sound knowledge of English. Any knowledge of foreign language is a bonus. This is a detail about the job. Primary location is Hyderabad. Job posting date is 22 November. Role is full-time. Apply link is given in the description. If you have any problem in applying, please comment. I will help you on that. Thank you.